Supermarket chains have been called on to cut their prices after SuperValu surprised with an announcement that it is reducing the prices on 500 groceries. Now, these are essentials, staples, if you like, that every household buys. You're talking mincemeat here, parma ham, orange juice, nappies, etc. And some of the price cuts are up to 10%. So the Consumers Association of Ireland has called on rivals Tesco, Dunnes Stores, Aldi and Lidl to respond with price cuts of their own. The hope here is that we'll enter into a good price war that would benefit consumers who are suffering from very high inflation, and particularly grocery prices are increasing quite a lot. Michael Kilcoyne of the Consumers Association said that the rivals to SuperValu should respond to this price cutting and go further even with higher reductions. However, some of this may be just marketing and market positioning by SuperValu, as there's a perception there that some of its prices are high and it has lost some market share to rivals Tesco and Dunnes Stores. So what it may be trying to do here is get back market share. It's quite a competitive industry, the supermarket retailing industry. So we could be seeing here SuperValu repositioning in itself to ensure that it doesn't lose out to the likes of Tesco, Aldi, Lidl and Dunnes Stores. But it's good news for consumers anyway. If you do have a SuperValu near you and you use it, at least the prices of 500 of its essential groceries are coming down. Now, their own brand SuperValu products, but they're coming down by up to 10%. Mincemeat, nappies, ham, those kind of things are all being reduced.